By 7 p.m., Kadongo Kamu fans had started flocking Hotel Africana to get front seats so that they can get a better view of their favorite artists, and soon the show was started. Matia Kakumirizi, who is prominently known Kadongo Kamu artist, reached the extent of putting off his coat and tied it in his waist for his fans to enjoy. Many known Kadongo Kamu artists enjoyed the fans at the show. It was not an all music evening, with some artists taking to acting to entertain the audience. It was also an opportunity for some of the singers to get appreciated by their fans.
Professor Kadongo Kamu agambye eti omukulu akubye jita wano hane sensua amuwadde cash emitwalo 5 agikime wali.
Hane sensua, congratulations.
Eyo moment yo enjoy it. Bananga alunde nga akuba endongo wano. Engalo za Professor wava muno n'engalo za Professor hane sensua.
Despite the good performance from Kadongo Kamu singers, Sauda Batenda, commonly known as Nakakawa, moved the audience with her dancing strokes. The show was sponsored by Professor Kadongo Kamu, Spear Motors, WBS, Centenary Bank, Radio Simba, UAP Insurance, Silk Events, among others.
Eva.